Welcome. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to archive our claim files. You've heard the term backup, backup, backup. You've heard it time and again. Maybe your fellow adjuster's computer just crashed and lost everything. The question arises, did you back up your data? Surprisingly enough, the common answer is always no. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to archive our claims and then retrieve those claims using the Unarchive function. Archiving allows you to save all your claim files to a disk, CD, or any media device that you choose. Simsol programs allow you to save multiple disks when archiving. Claim files can range in size depending on the amount of information contained within the digital photos, reports, forms, and diagrams. It is not uncommon for one claim file to use vast amounts of hard drive space depending how large your digital photos is. The key is to keep your digital photos to a resolution of 640 by 480. Simsol gives you the ability to archive or back up your claim files. Files can be archived to a number of different destinations, including network drives, local hard drives, flash drives, and yes, even cloud drives such as Dropbox. Creating an archive in Simsol is very easy to do. Let's see how to do it. The first thing that we must do is select the claims drawer that contains the claim files to be archived. Second, we must select the claims to be archived. We can do that by multiple means. The first type of archive that we're going to do is a single archive. Select the file to be archived. It'll be highlighted in a dark blue. Next, take your mouse and left-click on Archive. The two most important components of this screen are the full path and the claims listings window in the center of the screen. The system requires a full path for archiving files. A full path will include a drive letter as well as a destination name for the folder. For instance, the full path might be 123 followed by an SFZ. This file is not case sensitive but does require the proper drive specification. Make sure the colon and the semicolon are in the archive path. Click on the Browse button. Select the drawer that we would like to save, named the archive. Hit the Tab key. Now select Save. Once the path is put in, left-click on Archive to execute the action. Your file is now archived. Simsol has the ability to archive multiple files. To do this, we can use our Control left-click and mark the individual files. We can also use the Select All key. This will mark all the files. Take our mouse and left-click Archive. This brings up our archive window. Click the Browse button and put it into the folder. Now name the archive file. Click Save. Take a look at the bottom of the Files to be Archived window. It has all the selected claim files. They should be represented with the claims in dark blue. Once done, click Archive. Your archive files are now being completed. Your files are now done. The unarchiving feature enables you to decompress the claim files that have been archived using the system's Unarchive feature. All unarchived files will be loaded in the system's Inbox Systems drawer located in the lower left-hand part of the screen. We're now going to bring back our claim files. Left-click on Unarchive. This brings up our Unarchive window. Click the Browse button and find that selected folder where those claim files were archived. I'm going to select multiple. I'm going to click Open. This brings up the multiple claim files that were stored. Simply just take your mouse and left-click on the claim you'd like to unarchive. Select the Unarchive button, and that claim has now been placed in the inbox. We're now going to bring back multiple claim files. Select the Unarchive icon. This brings up the Unarchive window. Click the Browse button and find the folder where those claim files were placed. In this case, multiple. Click the Open button. This displays all the claim files that are associated to that archive. Select All, which marks all the claim files. Last step, click Unarchive. Progress bar comes up, and your validation is complete. The claim files are now unarchived and placed in the Simsol system. They are located in the inbox. We must move these claims to an active drawer in order to work on them. To do that, it's very easy. Mark the claim files by using the Control left click. You may also use the Select All icon. We now have all the selected claims marked for moving. Simsol has a new feature called Move To. Left-click Move To, and all your drawers come up. Select the drawer that you like to place these claim files in this case, Unarchived Files. Click OK. Select Yes to move the selected claims to the Unarchived Files, to the appropriate drawer, in this case, Unarchived Files. That's it. Now all your claims are now unarchived and ready to go.